Okay, today we are taking a look at a really nice incoming Zippo. And today's Zippo is brought to you by Twinkies, and not just any Twinkies, but banana Twinkies. So let's take a look at this. It's got the normal Zippo black box, came with it. And it says, Duty, Honor, and Country. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And this is an armor case Zippo. And there's a quick look at the Zippo itself. And this is a special insert. There's the armor logo, that A inside a shield under the flame. And it's a registered trademark. So here is the brass. And it's special because if you were in the service or retired from the service, or you're in the service now, duty, honor, and country should mean something special. It's on a background of the Stars and Stripes. It's got the eagle in the center. And this is on a high polish. Well, yeah, it's a mirror finish. And this one was made in, looks like E. That would be May of last year, 2019. And there you can see the armor stamping on it on the lower right. Really good stampings on this, and it says Bradford, PA, made in USA. Real good sound. And it's got a brass colored steel insert. These are not real brass inserts. They're just brass colored steel. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this one. So yeah, it definitely passes the drop test nicely. And this design is not a sticker. It is actually etched, micro etched into the armor, brass armor. It's a really nice design. I believe that's one of my best, and definitely deserves some cowbell. And a little more cowbell for the Twinkies. Knuckle bomb.